Hello, Kiran, can you hear me? Yes. Okay. So now I will share my screen. Are you able to see my Excel screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we'll discuss data. Data. That- So master data, these are two data we have to discuss. So master data are the code. Okay. These data uh, new okay. So in a SAP, we are having two types of data, master data and transactional data. So master data in the sense, these are the core data, these are the static data. Uh, we won't change these data again and again. So these are the master data. So I will write the definition of master data here. These are the data, data won't change again and again. These are the S bar any SAP transactions. So master data, it is a core data, static, sorry, not a V, static data, won't change again and again. These are the base for any SAP transaction. So here in a transaction data, we can change frequently. Help of with the help of master data, we will create transaction. Okay, so okay, so there will be two types of data. One is the master data, transaction data. So master data, these are the core data, static data, won't change again and again. These are the base for any SAP transaction. So next is the transaction data. We can change frequently these data. With the help of master data, we'll create a transaction data. So just I will give one example here. So take material master, the master data. So with the help of this material master, we create a purchase order here. Okay, PO. So Here we can change frequently in the sense in a daily life we can create a one PO today and tomorrow one PO and day after one PO like that we can create here with the help of this material master. Okay, but this material master will create only once. Okay, sometimes if client come with a new requirement, then only we'll change some data in a material master. But on daily basis we can't create a material master. Okay, but the PO will create a daily basis with the help of material master. So that's the thing. These are the core data, basic data. Won't change
ಸರ್ ಏನು
again and
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ
again.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Hello.
ಹಲೋ
Yes, Silva. Kiran.
I'm good, but you're audible.
Hello.
Having something you can drop and you can.
ನಿಮ್ದು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಂತೆ.
ಹೌದಾ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತೈತೆ, ಗಾಳಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರ ಒಬ್ರು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್.
So, Galapa. It might be.
ಸರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಏನು ಜೋರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇವಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹಲೋ,
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ಸರ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
hello. Now can you hear me perfectly?
Yes sir, little bit.
Okay.
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್.
Yeah. Who is this?
ಸರ್ ಇವ್ರ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ನನಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್, ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ
ಸರ್ ನಮಗ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಸರ್ ನಮಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ.
ಹಾ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
So two types of data: master data and transaction data. So master data, these are the core data, static data, won't change again and again. These are the base for any SAP transaction. I told you, no. So with the help of material master, we'll create a PO. So this is the base. Okay. So here, like a transaction data, we can change frequently. Frequently in the sense we can create a PO on daily basis. Today, tomorrow, whatever it may be. Okay, with the help of master data. So with the help of material master only, we are creating PO. So these are the two data. So now we'll discuss on master data. How many master data we are having in a material master? Not only in a material management, each and every SAP module will be having their own master data. Not only material management module, each and every SAP module will be having their own master data. Okay, now we'll discuss on our material. First master data is material master. vendor master. So next is purchase info record. Purchase purchase info record. So next one is source list. Third one is quota arrangement. Okay. In a SAP MM, here will having 5 master data. So first one is material master, second one is vendor master, third one is purchase info record, fourth one is source list and quota arrangement. Okay. So we'll discuss now what is material master and vendor master info record, source list and quota arrangement. Okay. So material master in the sense, so this data will give the detailed description about the material. This detailed description of material, like description, meter measure, meter measure, measure. Next, length and width also. etc. Okay. So consider my material is just like a tube. For example, we are having an industry like cycle manufacturing industry. So consider seat also material and your tube also material, your tire also material. Okay, even pedal also material. So consider tube is material. So that tube, what we are creating in SAP, that will give a detailed description about the material and unit of measure, in which unit we are measuring that particular material. Okay, in case if it is a tire, we'll measure in pieces. Okay, in case if it is a milk, we'll measure in a liters, like that. And even length, width, from detailed description will find out in a material master, will maintain in a material master. Okay, so main thing, material master in the sense, it will contain detailed description about the material. Can be unit of measure, it can be length, width, or etc. Okay, what are all will enter, will discuss. Okay, after that. So vendor master in the sense, this master data will give detailed description about the vendor. Detailed description about vendor can be agreement, payment terms, vendor account details, vendor account, and after that currency, you can say currency also. So vendor master, it is like a master data. Here it will give a detailed description about the vendor. It can be agreement, or it can be payment terms, vendor account, currency, all the things will find out in vendor master. So info record in the sense, combination of material master vendor master. Price of the material, price of the material, price of the material, then okay. So info record in the sense, it is a combination of material master and vendor master. It will give price of that particular material and quantity of material, how much quantity this vendor is able to provide us. All the information this info record will maintain, will contain. Okay. For example, consider my material is you can say, you can take a Colgate. Colgate is my material. Okay. So vendor is here Colgate only. So Colgate toothpaste is my material. So vendor is Colgate. So in info record will maintain Colgate and this material. What is the price of that particular material? How much quantity this Colgate company will provide? Okay. Will maintain all the data. So info record in the sense, it is a combination of material master and vendor master. It will contain the price of material and then quantity, standard quantity, how much that particular vendor able to provide. Okay. So source list. Okay. So source list is nothing but a list of allowed source of supply for a particular material. So consider my material is like a toothpaste. To provide a toothpaste, how many vendors are there? We can maintain here in source list. So, for example, for a toothpaste, we are having Pitaka and Colgate and Patanjali. So, these all are vendors. So, all these vendors will maintain in a source list. Okay. For particular material, how many vendors are there in our company? All the information will maintain in a source list. So, next is quota amendment. So, quota arrangement in the sense, here what we will do, we will distribute the requirement in a percentage wise to, you can say to here, to required vendor. So, for example, here I need a toothpaste. So, here I need a toothpaste. So, to provide a toothpaste, we are having a three vendors. Sibaka, next Colgate, next one after that Colgate is Sibaka, then Patanjali. So here now we need all these three vendors, but in percentage wise. So Sibaka company, I need a 50%. So Colgate, I need a 35%. Okay. So this one I need a 15%. Like that, we will maintain in a quota arrangement. Whenever a requirement will come for this particular toothpaste, for example, 1000 requirement will come. So what will happen? Actually, this is a combination of MM and PP. So later we'll discuss on this. Okay, how it will happen. So MRP they will run. Sorry, don't worry about MRP and all those things. So whenever production guy will run the MRP, so system will check the, for example, so they will run MRP for 1000 toothpaste. Okay, so to produce 1000 toothpaste, here in quota arrangement we have maintained percentage wise. So per 1000, 50% in the sense 500 requirement will go to Sibaka, and remaining 350 will go to Colgate. Remaining 150 will go to Patanjali. Like that, automatically system will calculate the requirement for each and every vendor based on the quota arrangement. In case if you have maintained any quota for a particular material, the system will distribute all these requirements to different vendors based on their percentage. Okay, is there any questions on master data? Hello.
No, sir.
Just okay. I will brief again. So in SAP, we are having two data: master data, transaction data. Master data are the core data, static data, won't change again and again. Okay, these are the base for the any SAP transaction. So transaction data we can change frequently. With the help of master data, we will create transaction data. So in a SAP material management module, we are having 5 master data. So first one is the material master, vendor master, purchase info record, source list, quota arrangement. So material master, this is the data, will give detailed description about material like unit of measure, length, width, etc. Okay. So vendor master, this will give detailed description about the vendor name, vendor account details, payment terms, agreement, and currency. So info record, these are the combination of material master and vendor master. It will give the price of the material and quantity, how much standard quantity this particular vendor is able to provide. All the things this info record will give to us. So source list in the sense here it will contain the list of allowed source of supply for a particular material. So you can say toothpaste is my material. So Sipata, Colgate, Patanjali, these are the vendors we will maintain under this source list. Okay. So quota arrangement in the sense in quota arrangement what we will do here, we will distribute the requirement in a percentage wise. Okay, to all the required vendors. So here, for example, 1000 is my requirement. Then so system will automatically will distribute 500 quantity required per data, Colgate 250 and 150 per Patanjali. Like that, system automatically distribute based on the quota arrangement maintenance. Okay, Ashwin. Hello.
ಸರ್ ಅಶ್ವಿನ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗಾಳಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಗಾಳಪ್ಪ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ?
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರು, ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಅಶ್ವಿನ್ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
It
ಅವ್ರ
might be
ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ
network
ಅಂತೆ ಸರ್.
issue from their
ಅಶ್ವಿನ್
side.
ಇವರು ಗಾಳಪ್ಪ ಅವರು 3 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Clearly audible.
Okay, so now we'll move on material master creation in SAP. Create a material, so there will be a T course to create to display. So 1 MM02 MM03 and even list of material. And 6. So here I'm logging in. Okay, so here we'll create a material now. So T code is MM01. So in a initial screen of material, system will show industry sector and material type. So industry sector in the sense so now we are going to create a material. This material is related to which industry? It can be mechanical industry, or chemical industry, retail industry, like that. Okay, there will be a number of industry. You have to select this material, which one you are going to create, no? So that material is related to which industry you have to select during creation of material. For example, so in case you are going to create a material, for example, consider you are in a paint industry. Okay, For a paint industry, we are going to create a material. So that time you have to select industry sector as a chemical industry. In case if you are in an automobile industry, you have to select mechanical industry. Okay. In case if you are retail, you have to select a retail industry. So industry sector will decide types of the industry. Okay, based on your client requirement or client as is process, you have to select industry sector. So next one is after industry sector, there will be a one more option, material type. Material type. So material type, each and every industry will be having different types of materials. So like finished goods, so semi-finished goods, raw. So each and every industry will be having different types of materials. So it can be finished goods, semi-finished goods, and raw materials. So during creation of material, you have to select this material related to which industry, and if you have to select this material, whether raw material or semi-finished goods or finished goods, you have to select. So in SAP standards, SAP has given some codes for this particular material types. So for a finished goods, they are calling it as a part. For a semi-finished, they are calling it as pulp. So for a raw material, ROH. Okay. In case in your industry, for example, you are having a number of materials like a scrap materials, and packaging materials. Okay. There will be a number of materials. So for those materials, you can create your own. Okay. See, this part is standard. If you don't understand that, you can create your own also. Okay. For example, for a finished product, you can say ZERT is my finished product. In case instead of halb for semi-finished goods, you can maintain as ZALB. Okay. Based on your requirement, you can maintain anything. Okay, for scrap material, you can maintain ZSRP. How to maintain all the things, we'll discuss in upcoming configuration classes. Okay, just keep in mind, you can create your own material type. Okay, you can use standard material type. Else, if you want your customized material types, you can create. Okay, so get like that you can create your own material types. Okay. So now during creation of material, these two fields will be mandatory. So industry sector. So in industry sector, you have to select which is the industry. This material is related to which industry. That industry you have to select. So in a material type, this material is whether it is a raw material or scrap material or packaging material or semi-finished or finished. So based on the requirement or based on the data of that particular vendor, customer, you have to create. So now again I will go here. Here I will select mechanical. Okay, you can select anything. So here I am selecting mechanical engineering as my industry. So material type. So I'm going to create a raw material. Will be a ROH. See here, number of material types are there. So some people had created based on the requirement. We'll discuss how to create our own material type. Okay. So type standard there will be three part. sorry, but hall band ROH. So, okay, here I am selecting one material type. Okay, this is for a raw material. So during creation you have to select industry sector and material type. After that just enter. I will log in again. So key code is MM01. Enter. Industry sector is mechanical. So raw material, here I am selecting the raw material. Okay, after that you have to enter. Okay, see here number of views are there. Basic data 1, basic data 2. Otherwise you can click here basic data 1, 2. For all these we are calling it as a views. Okay, so basic data 1, basic data 2, classification, MRP. Okay, like that number of views are there. So for a material management we have to select basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, later plant data storage. Next one is accounting view, accounting 1, accounting 2, costing 1 and costing 2. These view we have to select. So basic data 1, already we are in a basic data 1. So here you have to give description of the material. So you can give raw material, something you can do. Okay, so after that, so system is asking basic unit of measure. In which unit you are measuring this particular material. So you can give any basic units here. So here I am giving it. So here will be material group. So material group in the sense group of materials. Okay. So this material is related to which material? It is material or electrical consumable or raw material cable, like that. Okay. So just I'm giving like a test as of now. So here in basic data 1, just give basic unit of measure and material group. That's it. Okay, remaining thing we are not maintaining. So in upcoming sessions, like during running of the cycles, we'll be using some fields. Okay. As of now, just maintain basic unit of measure and material group. After that, just enter. Okay. In basic data 2, as of now, no need to maintain anything. So again, go here, click on purchasing. Okay. In a purchasing, you have to give purchasing group. Purchasing group in the sense the group which is responsible for the purchasing activity. Okay. As of now, I'm giving standard one. So we'll see how to create our own purchasing group, how to create our own basic unit of measure. I will see. Okay. After maintaining purchasing group, again go here. So click on plant data storage one view. In the plant data storage one view, there will be a shelf life data. Shelf life data in the sense expiry. So here you have to enter total shelf life of that particular material. For example, for a particular material is having an expiry date for 1 year. So you can enter 365 days. See here, period indicator for SLDs in a day. So here you have to give 365 days. Okay, and minimum remaining shelf life. Okay, so maximum is 365. You can give minimum 250. Just enter. Sorry, I will show you again here. See here, in a self-life data, what we have maintained here, uh, total shelf life is 365 days. Minimum remaining shelf life is 250. So in case for this particular material is going to reach 250 days, that time only system will throw some messages. This material is going to expiry in upcoming 100 days, like that. Okay. Just keep in mind in a planned data storage one view will maintain the expiry date and indicator. So here I given 365 total shelf life and period indicator is D. Okay, will maintain. After that, after planned data storage one, so next one is accounting one. So in accounting one view, what we have to give here, there will be on field valuation class. This valuation class, one second, valuation class not mentioned below. Okay, there will be on field this valuation class we have to maintain. There. Okay, I will create a valuation class, no issue. In this server, valuation class are not at maintained. Okay, in your servers, you will be getting the number of valuation class. You can maintain a valuation class here. So I will tell you each and everything. What is a valuation class? Okay, here you have to maintain valuation class. Below, see here, system is showing price, standard price. Okay, here I am giving one as a standard price, and below this, one more field is there. See here, future price from. Okay, regarding price, all thing will maintain by the our product finance and controlling guys. Okay, don't need to worry about price and all those things. So mainly this accounting view itself that finance guy will maintain. So regarding valuation class and price of that material, we'll discuss on this valuation class on tomorrow only. What is valuation class? How it will work? What is standard price? What is moving average price? Okay, we'll discuss all the things. So as of now, how to create a material we'll discuss first. Okay. So in accounting view, we have to maintain valuation class and standard price. Next, after accounting one view, I told you go to costing one. Yeah, valuation classes are not there. One second. We have to predefine first. Okay, fine. Here without valuation class, system is not allowed to save this particular material. So that also we'll discuss how to do mandatory per particular field, how to do non-mandatory, all the things we'll discuss. So valuation class not yet defined on this particular material, so give me seconds, we'll do some valuation class. Before that, I wanted to know. raw material. Okay. As of now, I am taking different raw material. Okay. Someone has changed that RYH to ZROH something. So during creation, no need to change all the things. Okay. So here again you have to do total self life and all the things. So we are in a account. Sorry, minimum self life also we have to maintain. After that, so here we have to maintain value class. See here there will be a number of valuation class. So for a raw material standard is 3000. So now we are creating raw material only. Select 3000. What is the use of all the things? Okay, we'll discuss tomorrow only. 3000 here I am giving as a valuation class. So standard price I am giving here as a 1. What we mean by standard price, and here there will be a price control. This is price. Price unit means per unit is 1 rupee, like that we are maintaining. And one more here, S and V. What do you mean by standard price? In case if price control is S means what is the standard price? And in case if price control is V, how system will behave? In case if standard price is S, how system will behave? Okay, we'll discuss tomorrow on this. Okay, as of now, I am giving a price as a 1 per unit, and this is the valuation class. So I told you to create a material, you have to select basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, uh, client data storage 1 view, and accounting 1. Okay, that's it. After maintaining all the data, just you have to save. So system has created one material. So this is one material we have created 55001. Okay. Kiran, is there any doubt on this?
I will create personally one data, then I'll come back. Because last time we were trying to create one data, it was not running. Try to create it again. If I'm getting here,
Okay. See, actually, what I'm telling you now, just create your own enterprise structure and create one material in that particular plant. You have to do, okay, today itself. Tomorrow, what I will do, we'll discuss on that particular material only, again regarding valuation class and standard price. After doing, after 2 days, sorry, tomorrow, Sunday, no? Okay. Today and tomorrow you have to practice enterprise structure and this material master. Just you have to create. No need to worry about the data. Okay. Just enter any dummy data and create a material. Okay. And Monday onwards we'll discuss each and every master data thoroughly. In the material master itself, we have to discuss on evaluation classes and standard price, how standard price will behave, what is standard price, what is the moving average price, and what is valuation class. Is it possible to create our own valuation class? Okay, all the things we'll discuss tomorrow. Please create your own enterprise structure, and in that particular plant, you have to create one material. Okay.
Yes, sir.
fine.
Developer is there. Hello.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ
Galappa,
ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್
Galappa, Galappa. Daya,
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
okay, Daya, do one thing. You also please create your own enterprise sector and work materials.
Okay, okay.
Create 3 to 4 materials, one for FG and one for SAP and raw materials like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then we'll close the call now. Please practice.
Yes.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್,
Okay, then. Bye.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಬಾಯ್.